Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get iOS 16.1 developer beta at your iPhones and as well as iPads. Apple has released its iOS 16.1 developer beta for its beta users. So if you don't know how to get it at your iOS devices, then keep watching full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to get it. So let's get started. Firstly, tap at your settings, scroll it up, tap at General, tap at Software Update. As appears on screen, you can see iOS 16.1 developer beta is available for download and install. But if you don't get this option at your iOS devices, then go back, open your default Safari browser, and in the search bar type here developer.apple.com. Just scroll it up. As appears on screen, you can see iOS 16. Just tap on it. As appears on screen, at the top corner you can see a downloaded option. Just tap at the download and download the profile from here. After downloading the profile, then go back, open your settings, scroll it up, again tap at General, tap at Software Update, and tap at Download and Install. Like this, you can easily get the iOS 16 for developer beta at your iOS devices. I hope that video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.